Open Notepad to create a new document. HTML code starts with a directive telling the browser that it is a HTML file and the version of HTML that is used. To do this, enter doctype.html in the first line. This tells the browser that it is a HTML version 5 document. Please note that in the script it shows inverted commas. These are actually greater than and less than signs, but they can't be used within the script. In the next line we add the HTML directive to tell the browser that this is where the HTML code begins. Hit enter 5 times to create 5 blank lines. This is where we will put our code. In the last line, add \HTML to mark the end of the code. Go to where the line below HTML and add head. Enter a couple of times and add a few blank lines and add /head. Between the head tags is where the metadata, formatting instruction and JavaScript is entered. Below the head tag, add body. Hit enter a few times to create a few blank lines and add body. In between the body tags is where the information objects to be displayed is entered. Now we are ready to create our first web page. Under the head directive, add a title directive. After the title, type My First Web Page and close the title with the /title directive. Now comes the tricky part, saving your file as a HTML file. You need to carefully follow these instructions or your page will not display correctly. Click on File, then navigate to where you want the file saved and click New Folder. Give the folder a descriptive name. Save as Type drop-down box, change the type to All Files. The first page in a web page is always called index. In the file name, enter index.html, ensuring the name is all in lowercase and there is a dot between index and HTML. Click Save and the file will appear as index in the folder you created. Keep Notepad open while you perform the next steps. In Windows Explorer, navigate to the file you created, right-click the file and select Open With. Select Google Chrome from the list. If everything is correct, you should see a tab titled My First Web Page, and the page should be blank. If you right-click on the web page, you will see an option to view page source. Click this and a new tab opens which contains the code you created in Notepad. Leave Chrome open and go back to Notepad. Between the body tags, enter some text. Save the file, go back to Chrome and click on the My First Web Page tab and hit refresh, and you should see your text displayed. This is the end of the first lesson.